Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to talk about saving a document to a particular folder. What I'm going to do is I'm in Microsoft Word right now, and it could be Word, it could be Excel, it could be virtually any piece of software that you create something and want to save something. It's not so much what software I'm using, it's more knowing how to navigate and get to a certain area or folder to save something. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to simply type in Tony was here, and then I'm going to save this document. I'm using Office 2007 in this example, so I'm going to go up to the Office button and click on that, and I'm going to go down to Save. When I go to save this, there's two components of this. The first component is giving this document a name. The second component is saving it in a particular spot. So in my last tutorial, I did a new folder called Projects 2009. What Microsoft Word does is it by default will take the first few things I've typed in that document and it will attempt or try to take those words and name the document that way. In other words, the first few things I typed was Tony was here, so it picked up on that and it took that text and assumes I want to call it that when I save it. That's fine in this example. But what I'm going to do now is I want you to observe that my documents, this particular folder was chosen as to where to save it. By default, when I create a Word document or Excel or PowerPoint, it will attempt to save it in the My Documents folder. But keep in mind, I have a folder called Projects 2009, or was it 2009 Projects, on the desktop. And to get there, I'm going to come over on the left, click on Desktop, and now I'm going to navigate right here to the 2009 projects. I'm going to double click on it, and now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click Save. You'll notice we have a folder within the 2009 projects called Tony's Projects, but what I'm going to do is just click Save. And now what I've done is I've saved this document in that particular folder that resides on my desktop. So now I'm going to show you how to go navigate to that in the next tutorial and how to open it. My name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much.